Hello all. Today in this video, the previous video itself, I would have mentioned that other than working with the normal, that is the image which we are having in Matlab, we will just work with some other image we are having. So that we are just working with that image. For that, I am just replacing the original image we are having, and the original image in Matlab, which is having extension as AVI, but we are not using the AVI extension. So I'm changing as mp4 since this extension of this video is mp4. And now we can just work the previous video which we are seeing is will have only one or two images. More maximum three videos, sorry, three cars will only display at each frame, but in this case we will have many cars displaying in every frame. So it will not, it there will be some misclassification. So you may see that while I'm running the code, just other things are common. Now you can see that now it is showing only 10 or 67, but there are some misvariations you can see since many images, many vehicles are coming. So there is having some misclassification in, but we can change that. But we have to work with some other algorithms other than blob analysis. Since blob analysis is having some misclassification with if many videos or many vehicles are coming at a time. So this is some image which is having some different number of frames. Now you can see it is not yet completed since in this previous video we are having only less number of that is the number of seconds is less, but in this case it is high. So this video takes some more time to just run. So this is the way if you are having some other videos other than the original video. So in this case you have to just check. So if you have to check some details regarding this video detection means vehicle detection in video means you can just check some other video which we have given in the same channel. Thank you.